access to your course funnels and set up your online course. I'm excited too, and I can't wait to see what results you get. But before you go there, I want to make sure that you get the best value from course funnels. And that means value in every way, not just e-learning. Before I get you access to the product, I want to show you something that can help you get sales with course funnels without making a single course, targeting a single lead, and without having any product or service to sell. Yes, no need to find a niche, design a sales page, send an email, and do any optimization. No need to make a single lesson, record a single video. No trial and error and wasting hundreds of dollars to find something that works for you. You can still get sales and pay off your investment in course funnels in no time. Sounds incredible? It's 100% true. And over the last 35 or so products that we have created, we have helped thousands of people generate a lot of sales this way. Ready to find out how? By selling course funnels access to other people. You know what? People want to sell more on the internet. Every single online business, every single local business, they all need course funnels to make it easy for them to get traffic from the online learning industry. What if you could sell it to them and pocket 100% of every sale you make? Yes, imagine selling course funnels to unlimited customers and businesses and keeping all of the profits you generate. You don't have to spend thousands of dollars, become crazy skillful, or manage a team of coders to create a powerful app like this. You get a ready-made solution you can sell right now, and you can keep every dollar you earn from it. We don't get any royalties or commissions. All your earnings will be 100% yours. On this page, you can buy an agency account on CourseFunnels, which will give you permission to sell CourseFunnels to others. This is something very rare. You won't see it on many products, especially never on a product that's so much in demand as this one. CourseFunnels agency is easy to use. You will get access to a control panel, and you can create CourseFunnels accounts for absolutely anyone you want, including your own team members. All your customers will have full access, and you will have full control over them. Cancels anyone's access anytime you want. You can use CourseFunnels agency to create a recurring revenue stream by charging customers a monthly or a yearly fee. Make money not just once, but month after month by selling CourseFunnels at a recurring price. Sell it to your friends, mail your list, run some ads, buy solo ads, offer it on Facebook, sell it on Fiverr, run a telemarketing campaign, or even put it as an upsell to another product you have. You can do it all. Right after launch, we are going to make CourseFunnels a recurring product and sell it at a minimum of $67. You can sell it at a monthly or yearly access at your price and make money easily. Don't want to create your own marketing materials and want to just immediately start selling? Don't worry, we have you covered. You'll get full CourseFunnels agency materials kit to help you get those clients hands-free. This includes Facebook ads, copy, graphics, and more to break through gatekeepers and land local agency clients. There's never been anything like that. Plus, you will also get a 100% ready landing page to sell CourseFunnels for you. You can just put your buy button on it, upload it anywhere you want, and you will have a totally new product ready to make your profits. The landing page is written by top copywriters and designed by a top designer so that you really get amazing results. You'll also get powerful training on how to get the clients, including Facebook ads training and how to start and scale your local agency company. Plus, you'll also get some really great CourseFunnel agency bonuses available on the page below. So don't miss out on this rare reseller and agency upgrade. Just get CourseFunnels Unlimited Agency today and become an authorized CourseFunnels seller to sell to as many businesses as you want for as long as you want. Click on the button below and claim your